Hey there, and welcome back to Say It Right. Today's word is one that authors, artists, and even celebrities love to use. Pseudonym. But are you saying it correctly? Let's find out. So, how do you pronounce it? The correct pronunciation is SOO-duh-nim. Let's break it down, step by step. First up, su, like in super. Then duh, as in the casual duh sound. And finally, nim, which rhymes with him. Now say it with me, pseudonym. One more time, pseudonym. Nice work. So, what does pseudonym mean? A pseudonym is a fake name used by a writer, artist, or performer instead of their real name. For example, Mark Twain was the pseudonym of Samuel Clemens, and George Orwell was actually Eric Arthur Blair. People use pseudonyms for privacy, safety, or sometimes just to sound cooler. Did you know the word pseudonym comes from Greek, pseudo meaning false, and onyma meaning name. So it literally means false name. Writers, musicians, and even YouTubers sometimes use pseudonyms. Here's a quick spelling tip. It starts with a silent P, just like in psychology or pterodactyl. So remember, Pseudonym. Looks tricky, but now you've got it. Now that you know how to pronounce pseudonym, you can use it with confidence, whether you're talking about authors, screenwriters, or even choosing one for yourself. Thanks for tuning in to Say It Right. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with someone who loves language and writing. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.